Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to do a super fast fudge. I have 18 ounces or 510 grams of semi-sweet chocolate, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 7 grams. And our last ingredient, a regular size can of condensed milk, and I am using a caramel flavor for our recipe today. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. I've got a pot of water on my little stove. You're going to take your chocolate, you're going to place it onto your bowl, just like that. And then you're going to turn your element on your stove, and you're going to heat your water, get it to about a simmer, and then just melt your chocolate completely down. So when mine is completely melted, I'll be back. Okay, that is nicely melted down. I'm just going to turn down my little stove thing here, just for now. And now we're going to get in all of the condensed milk. So just get that in. Oh, this smells amazing. So get all of that in. I want to get everything out of my tin here. Oh, this is going to be so good. And now let's just stir this in. I'm going to put my element back on again, because I do want to get a little bit more heat into my bowl. We're going to get it like that. That looks good. Oh, you can see how nicely all of that has come together. You just want it all nicely mixed. That looks good. Oh, that is good. And then I'm just going to add in our vanilla right at the end. Nice and easy. There we go. I can hear my water coming up. I'm going to turn that down and then just mix that in. And that is it for the recipe. So what you can do to this, I'm just doing a plain one today, but you can add anything you want to this. You know, pecans, walnuts, oh, anything you want. Look at that. You can already see that's coming really nicely there, just like that. That is perfect. Next step. For today's recipe, I am using a 9x9 inch pan, which is 23 centimeters square, and I have lined that with parchment paper. Another name for parchment paper in many parts of the country, that would be called baking paper. I'm just giving it a quick mix here again. And then I'm going to get that right in there. So if you want this really high, just use a smaller container, little baking dish. Look at that. Oh, that looks good. This is how easy it is to make fudge when you're using condensed milk. Just going to get everything out of here. There we go. And that's good. And then you just want to push it into the corners. And if you want, you can sprinkle a little bit of sea salt on the top. If you want it a little bit rustic, just leave it with the little marks in it. Doesn't have to be completely flat and look like a mirror. I think that looks good. You can see how fast this came together. It is impressive. And that's it. So at this point, you just want to chill this down, put it into your refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours, and then it's ready to cut and enjoy. So here we go. It's been in the fridge now for 2 hours. I'm just going to remove my little clips here. You can see the magic of the parchment paper. How easy it is just to remove from your baking dish. That looks good. Just cut a little piece off here and go in for a little taste test. Oh, look at that. Oh, nice. Little cut. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, so rich and really, really creamy. That is so good. Oh, that is really good. Oh, wow. This is really sweet. You only need a tiny square like this to be satisfied. Yeah, this is awesome. I'm going in for another bite. Oh, that is so good and just so easy to make. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, I'm over there as well, at BakeLikeAPro. Try this out. It is just too easy. Variations, you can throw some pecans in there, or walnuts, of course. Walnuts are the #1 nut that go in fudge. So that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. That is so good. Melts in your mouth. Oh, it's awesome. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.